Hi, today we're exploring the Gainbridge Fast Break website, a platform that's shaking up the world of fixed income investments. If you're looking for a fresh way to grow your savings, this review is for you. Let's dive in. Gainbridge Fast Break is a digital platform that offers fixed-rate annuity products designed to help you grow your money safely and predictably. One of the standout features is its simplicity and transparency. You can open an account with as little as $1,000, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. The platform currently offers competitive annual percentage yields (APYs) that are significantly higher than traditional savings accounts. For example, as of now, Gainbridge Fast Break offers APYs ranging from 4.55% to 5.05%, depending on the term length you choose. These rates are fixed, meaning they won't change during the term of your investment, which can range from 1 to 5 years. Another great feature is the ease of use. The entire process, from signing up to managing your account, is done online, making it convenient and hassle-free. Plus, your funds are backed by reputable insurance companies ensuring safety and reliability. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to check out Gainbridge Fast Break's website if you're interested in exploring their fixed-rate annuity products. See you in the next video.